As you're browsing through social media like Instagram, you've probably seen short snippet highlight videos that have captions over them. And if you're not familiar with some AI programs, you're probably thinking that people are sitting there and coming up with all of those captions and handwriting those captions, whereas there are platforms out there, some of them have it inbuilt, such as CapCut, but there are also some other platforms out there like Descript, which is one that we've been using for a couple of years now that can really help speed up that process, as well as give you a bit of control with regards to how those captions that are overlaid over the video look and feel like. And today I thought, just given we're about to upload a new reel that details a bit of a process that we go through with regards to coming up with YouTube video descriptions, we wanted to add some captions to that video just to make it a little bit more engaging when it comes to places like Instagram, for example. So we've jumped into Descript, and the first thing we're going to do is come up and create a new project, and we're going to go video project for this one. And once I've got that here, we can upload our file from our computer. So what this is now doing is both uploading the video, but as you can see up here, it's also transcribing the video. So it's going to take everything that I'm saying and convert that into written text, which is fantastic. Saves a whole lot of time and effort. What we can do is just click through the timeline and see that, making sure that the transcript's correct. So it's always good, it's not always 100% perfect. Quite often it's always around 90 to 95. So we're just going to have a quick scrub through and make sure that the video is, like, the transcript is accurate.
Business, you might find that coming up with those descriptions is a bit of a pain in the back.
So there's a few little things such as, Chat GPT here, we can highlight over this, click correct, and then actually just adjust some of this. And if it's just coming up with a transcript, we don't need to be as accurate, but given this is actually going to be displayed on the screen as a caption, we do probably want to make sure that that's as appropriate as possible. So this is all looking pretty good from our end. We can now use Descript to start to come up with that caption overlay. So what you can see is here in the right hand side, I've actually got this captions area. We can click this and then it gives us a whole heap of variety of captions. And if you hover over some of these, it will sort of show you what the caption is that you're after. So yeah, there's a few different types there that you can do. We, in particular, either like this, the bold yellow highlight. Sometimes you might want to opt for more of a clean one, but we think the highlighted one definitely stands out. So I'm going to click that, and that's now, as you can see, going to apply the caption down here to our video. Something just to note is, particularly if you're on social media, you want to make sure that it is in a bit of a safe zone. So if it's right down the bottom here, if someone's sort of scrubbing through, they might not actually see the caption. So we want to drag that up and make sure that it's in a safe zone there. Now what we can do is come down here to the timeline and scrub through and make sure that we're happy with how it's functioning.
I find that coming up with those descriptions is a bit of a pain in the backside.
If you're happy with that, that's it. That's a really simple process. Again, I'd probably just advocate for running through the video once more and making sure that all the captions are correct, and particularly that the highlight feature is there. You notice, for a lot of people, branding is important. So you can actually click into the caption here and change a whole range of things, from fonts through to the actual style of the font that you're using, so you can get some consistency there. You can change the size too. So notice if we click and drag, and that changes it from a 2-line to a 1-line. You can also change the feature color. So if there is some particular branding that you want to achieve, there is that. Just need to be mindful, obviously, of legibility there. So that's also important. And you can tweak the effects as well as the animation a little bit more. But you can sort of see this video we've recorded for close to 5 minutes now. And in that process, we've really sped things up in terms of generating a transcript, overlaying the captions. If we're happy with that, we can now jump up to publish and actually publish this video and then upload it to Instagram, to YouTube Shorts, wherever it is. We've found that we're using Descript more and more on a regular basis here at Wait for Digital, whether that is automating some tasks, and particularly coupled with other AI programs like ChatGPT. So if you're interested in some of the ways that we're using programs like Descript in the office, or ways that you can use a platform like it to help improve some efficiencies in your business, feel free to like and subscribe us on YouTube. We're going to be uploading more and more videos, particularly in the new year. Always feel free to reach out to us as well. We love having a chat about the ways that AI can help make businesses that little bit smoother. So yeah, feel free to reach out to us, engage with us on social media, and hopefully we can have a chat and connect there too. Thanks for watching.